Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we are going to be modifying Warchild, my custom Onewheel XR that we've got the flight frame, chrome custom frame on. We've got this World War II kind of P-40 Warhawkish look to it with the military green olive, the California wildfire red float plates, the flight frames, flight fins, flight fenders, the whole 9 yards. And currently we've got the Cobra Pad on the back. You guys might remember the video that I did for the installation of the Cobra Pad. I'll link it right up here in case you didn't. So today I've got another thing for you. Today we are going to be installing this. And what is this? It's right here. All right, let's take a look at what we've got here. First, we've got some Craft and Ride sticker, some propaganda, some instructions, some fasteners, a couple Allen wrenches, and we've got some grip tape for the front foot pad. Get that to the side. And we have this. This is what we're going to be installing. This is the OneTail Extreme. Now this is pretty neat. This has grip tape that's actually kind of spongy. See if you can see this, kind of squishy a little bit. So it's supposed to make it ultra comfortable for your feet. It's super concave. See if you can see that right there, how it's really concave in all directions. So it's really supposed to be comfortable. It's even got a little bit of a concave coming up the back. So anyways, let's get straight to it. We're going to rip off the Cobra Pad. We're going to install the OneTail Extreme. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about this. And here's the best part about it. Whichever one of these I don't like, I'm going to give away to you guys. So what do you got to lose? Watch the video. Probably take me about a week or two to really kind of get the feel for which one of these tails I like the best. And like I said, the one that I don't care for or the one that I like least, I will be doing another video doing a giveaway of that. Yeah, sure, it's a used tail, but guess what? It's free. Okay, let's get straight to it. We're just going to take this off and we are going to, okay, so we are going to remove the flight fenders real quick, and then we're going to install this. So I'm just going to kind of speed this up just a moment, and then we'll be right back. Okay, there's the last one. Now we've got that off. Now we are just going to flip the board over. We are going to take out these two. There we go. Okay. And lift it. Here it is. Cobra Pad removed. Let's get that out of the way. Let's flip this back over. Just kind of brush off any of this excess crap. And now let's install the OneTail Extreme. So what I'm going to do here, guys, just to make this a little easier, I'm just going to hold it in place. And I'm going to take those two long, actually I'm going to make sure that the bolts that came with it are the same. They are they? Bottom. They're not the same. Do not recycle your hardware. Make sure that you use the hardware that came with your OneTail Extreme. They are slightly different lengths. Okay, now that this is held in place, we can go ahead and move forward to the front, replacing this, because as you can see here, the OneTail Extreme, they thought about the float plates. Wow, that really does fit quite nicely. And I have to say, it looks pretty damn nice too. So, yep, we're just going to install the same ones that we had in here before. Okay, I'm just going to flip it over now. Give these bottom a couple quick, tighten them up, make sure that they're nice and snug. There we go. And there we go. Put my tools away. I gotta say, I don't really typically dig stickers and whatever, maybe a little bit. That one's kind of neat. That's kind of cool. I like that. Well done, Craft and Ride. As a matter of fact, we're going to put that right here. There we go. Just like that.
It's like they're sticking out. It's taller.
Okay guys, we're gonna pop this fender back in. So there you have it. This is the OneTail Extreme by Craft and Ride. It is a wooden ultra super extreme concave tail with some padded grip tape. It looks pretty cool. I gotta say, it's pretty sweet looking. Let me see if I can hold this up for you guys. So there we go. Yeah, it's a pretty nice looking tail, if I do say so. And it complements this wooden kind of, again, P40. I'm calling this Onewheel War Child because of the color scheme. Watch my other video if you haven't seen it. It's right here where I transform the original Onewheel XR Frontier Collective wheel into the War Child. All right guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the install. I hope you enjoyed the antics and this clown right back here rubbing the little thing and all this crap. So we're gonna go ride this around real quick and let you know what we think about it, see if it's any good, and yeah. Initial first impression.
How's it feel when you stand on it?
So here's my first impression. Okay, well, since you can't tell what I'm saying from the audio, when we were testing out the OneTail Extreme, I came back over here to let you guys know my initial thoughts of it immediately after putting it onto the board and riding it around for about 15 minutes or so. I really like it. It does have a slightly more aggressive concave than the Cobra Pad. I like that, but that padded grip tape really adds a little something to it, and I personally find it to be a little more comfortable than the Cobra Pad. I'm not exactly sure why yet, and I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to keep that opinion, but as it stands right now, initial thoughts are it is a little more comfortable for me than the Cobra Pad. It definitely looks nice. I really like that wood look, especially with the color theme that I've got going on with my board. The chrome, the green, the red, the whole 9 yards. It looks really, really good. So guys, again, sorry for having to have this little overlay in the corner down here, but the audio from us trying to record what I was saying as I was experiencing it is just crap, and I wanted to be able to tell you what it was that I thought. So we'll find out if I still feel the same way in a couple weeks, and like I said, whichever one of these that I decide to not continue to use, I'm going to give away to you guys. So there it is. Thanks.